How good is this? Bngo in the green, up over 10% in the past 5 days. What's happening, investors? Welcome back to another video. This video is for entertainment purposes only. And in this video, we are going to speak about Bionano genomics, ticker symbol Bngo. We're just going to talk a bit about the company. We're also going to speak about some analyst price predictions, as well as the financials to try to determine where we see this stock going. Before we do though, to those new to the channel, my name is Dean. I am not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. I'm just someone who loves researching and investing in stocks, and the reason why I do it is because I want to make some money and retire early. And I thought, hey, since I'm making these videos anyway, why not put them out there on YouTube and maybe help some of you guys along the way? And all I ask in return is just hit that like button. Let's see, can we get this video to 100 likes? With that out of the way, let's get straight into it. Like we mentioned at the start of the video, up over 10%, in fact nearly 11% for the week, and this is a good feeling because we have been seeing quite a bit of red right now. And I've been saying in my Sens videos, I've been comparing Bngo to Sens and just looking at all these stocks, and I said the same thing. I said, I think this red is just a broader market thing, and now we're finally seeing some green because I didn't think there was anything wrong with the company. And when we get into the price predictions, I think there still isn't anything wrong with this stock at this price. The first thing I want to talk about is the latest news. Look at the amount of good news that comes out for Bngo. The past 3 news articles, let's just have a quick look here. Bionano's optical genoming has faster turnaround time, higher success rates, and low cost per sample compared to traditional methods. Bionano's optical genome mapping reveals new insights and prognostic capabilities compared to traditional cryogenic techniques in several leukemia clinical research studies presented at the ECA. Bionano's optical genome mapping extensively featured at the 2021 European Cryogenic Conference as a superior solution for genomic analysis in leukemia and genetic disease compared to traditional techniques. Really bullish articles. And let's just speak about the latest one just to give us a quick understanding of what exactly is going on here. So we're looking at the benefits of Bngo's technology compared to traditional technologies. And what do we see here? Faster turnaround times, workflow simplification, less hands-on time, higher assay success rates, higher yield of pathogenic findings, improved outcomes, and lower cost per sample. So this technology is better across the board, and there is no reason why Bngo can't be a market leader, which means a lot of upside from where we are today. If we look at the investor presentation, one thing that is pretty crazy is that they estimate their market opportunity to be $2.6 to $3.8 billion based on selling as many as 10,000 Sapphire systems. What is even crazier is the estimated revenue is 0.5 to 0.6 billion for the cryogenics and 0.2 billion to 0.4 billion estimated annual recurring revenues. Then Discovery Research shows 1.4 to 1.8 billion estimated revenues, and their estimated annual recurring revenues of 0.5 to 1.1 billion dollars. What is crazy here? Okay, if we take just, don't even worry about these. When I say don't even worry, look, these are big numbers. 0.6 billion, 1.8 billion dollars. Let's just forget about that for a second. Just in their estimated annual recurring revenues, we're looking at 700 million to 1.5 billion dollars just in that alone. And what is crazy is if we look at that number, that's nearly the market cap of the company. Just in reoccurring revenue, we're eventually going to get to a stage where that alone is going to be nearly the market cap of this company. So I do see a lot of growth, but I do need to premise this with, this is a high risk stock. Please do your own research. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. And you need to remember the stock has run up in the past 5 days. Okay, this may continue, but we may also see a pullback. So consider averaging in. Don't buy in all at once and then the stock goes down and you start getting upset. Average in, do your own research, make sure you fully understand the company. What about the analysts? What are they saying? Well, analysts have price predictions for Bngo of $11.50 a share average. The highest is $14 and the lowest is $10. So even the low is a substantial amount higher than where we are trading at today at $6.37. And that's even with the previous green day. So it is safe to say that analysts are bullish on this stock. I am personally bullish on this stock. I think I like this average price target here. I'm going to use that as my own. I'm going to say $12 a share. I do see us getting there as long as the company is able to execute. We need to see the revenues coming in. And the other risk here is that Bngo has been known to do a lot of share offerings in the past, which really dilutes the shares and pushes the stock price down. But this was not necessarily a bad thing, because look at the financial position of this company. They have cash and cash equivalents, $362 million in cash. Okay, that is insane when you consider their total current liabilities are only $7 million. So it is safe to say that this company is not going broke anytime soon. And that is thanks to them doing those share offerings. And this has allowed them to fast track the process of the company getting to where they need to go. Remember, they're still doing a lot of research. They're still spending a lot of money. So this money was well needed. And in the last investor call, the CEO said this money, the share price going up to where it did, and their share offerings have really helped the company fast track to get to where they need to get to. A bit of a shorter video today. We will continue to cover Bngo on this channel. So if you haven't done so already, please make sure you're subscribed, have your notifications turned on, and let me know in the comments, do you agree with my price target of $12 a share? The analysts sure do. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you all in the next video.